Hey guys, Drew Mead here from MarineMax on Lake Lanier, standing on a brand new release from Sea Ray. This is a new model. I'm super proud and excited to have it here at Lake Lanier. This is the all-new 2026 Sea Ray 23 Sun Deck. This is a stern drive model, and I'm standing on my favorite place on the boat. This is the swim platform, and Sea Ray has equipped this boat with a manual fold-down swim step. This is where I like to hang out. I spend all of my time back here. Get to a cove, anchor the boat, fold this swim step down in the water, and it's just such a nice, easy way to get in the boat. So the step goes down about maybe 1.5 feet or so. It is naturally buoyant, so it will pop up easily on its own. Not difficult to deploy or bring back. You do have a telescoping ladder off to the starboard side as well, so multiple ways to get in and out of this boat. The interface with the water is excellent. Sea Ray's done just such a nice job partnering that manual swim step with this large sun pad. Gives a great place to hang out, enjoy the water. Right back here on the port quarter, you'll notice you have your Fusion audio transom remote. Now this is sweet. You can throw this in your pocket. You can control the volume, switch songs, play, pause. Just all the controls of the stereo anywhere you want, and you can mount that little remote right back here in its holder. And then below it is a USB-C wired phone charger. You have cup holders back here, really everything you need. Underneath this seat here is the main power supply for the boat, so your batteries are there. Your main battery switches are there. This boat is also equipped with an onboard battery charger, so anytime the boat's not in use, plug the smart charger in. It's not like the old school battery chargers where you could overcook your batteries. You just leave this thing plugged in all the time, then you'll never have to worry about having a dead battery ruining your day on the lake. So plug the batteries in, the boat will always be ready to rip from a battery supply standpoint. Moving forward into the cockpit, we do have a really nice wet storage area here that I like to point out. This locker has a drain built into it, so you can throw wet dock lines or your ski tow rope in that compartment, not worry about it. The extra water will just drain out. And as we step down into the self-bailing cockpit here, I want to point out the 23 Sun Deck seating arrangement. This is phenomenal. Paired with their in-house made wooden tables, you have a great place to hang out, enjoy a meal, enjoy your friends and family. The wraparound L-shaped seating is convertible with this passenger's backrest. So this will slide forward, making this all one area. Same with the captain's chair, so everybody can kind of centralize around the table there. If you notice behind the backrest here, there's a little storage tray molded into the boat, and there is also an inductive wireless phone charger right there. So you have your cup holders, little non-skid grip place to toss phones, and then a phone charger right there in the middle, as well as more USB and USB-C charging ports built in right behind you. You'll see Fusion audio sound system throughout the boat, so as we move around in the cockpit, just pay attention. There is a subwoofer hiding right here below the captain's chair. That is part of the upgraded sound system from Fusion Audio with this boat. So let's take a look at the controls. This is going to look very similar to the sister models, the 25 and the 27. I'm going to start out with the digital throttle and shift from Mercury Mercruiser. On this boat, this is controlling a 6.2 300 Mercruiser with the counter-rotating Bravo outdrive. So you have digital throttle and shift, so the days of pulling a shifter cable that's about 15 feet are over. This is a wiring harness that connects directly to the shift actuator. So as soon as I shift, it's an instant response from the drive, and this is always going to be butter smooth the entire time you own the boat. You have push to start, push to stop controls right here on the DTS lever, as well as built-in active trim. So active trim, you don't even have to think about where your drive is anymore. As long as you have the active trim feature turned on, as you advance in RPM, the drive is going to trim itself just based off of RPM. So it kind of takes any of the concern of where do I do with my drive angle away. The boat is so simple to operate that way. So active trim DTS makes a lovely experience. Right here at the helm, the interface with the electronics, you have twin Simrad multifunction displays. I have them configured with the chart plotter here on the right side, and on the left side is our Mercury digital dash. Now those screens are interchangeable. You can run either screen in multiple different ways. They do split screen. So really, whatever you're most comfortable with, you've got right there at your fingertips. Sea Ray has put the Helm head compartment right here in front of the helm. Excuse me. Slide this door open. You do have a pump out capable porta potty style toilet. There is a nice seating area down there if somebody needs to get out of the sun. Again, there's USB and USB-C charging ports down there. If you want to plug a phone in and get it out of the heat, you can toss it down the cabin there. Great room for storage. Really nice new change on the new Sun Deck lineup. Let's go check out the bow. This is one of the key features of the Sun Deck. Up here in the bow, one of the things that Sun Deck does different from the other Sea Ray models is they have a wider bow space, which accommodates more seating and just more room for extra guests up here. So the 23 doesn't disappoint. There's plenty of room in the large bow area. Underneath this front cushion is a insulated fiberglass cooler box, so that can be loaded with drinks and snacks and ice down. Great place to just reach down and grab a beverage if you want. You'll notice another handcrafted wooden table from Sea Ray. This is beautiful. This table does have a folding leaf, so everybody up here in the bow can sit around, enjoy a glass of wine or a snack. And if you want to remove this table, it has a dedicated storage space right back here in front of the passenger's chair. Hidden around behind me again is the storage trays that you recognize from the main cockpit, as well as more wired USB and USB-C chargers. And then finally, up here in the bow, Sea Ray does a great job of giving you a dedicated anchor locker, so you don't have to worry about the anchor rolling around your feet in the floor of the boat. When you get to your cove, you get to your favorite spot, get the anchor out, deploy it right there, and you can close the locker lid and have a really nice way to store that out of the way. Guys, if you want to come see this brand new Sea Ray 23 SDX, we're at Baldridge Marina in Cumming on Lake Lanier. My name is Drew Mead. I'll be happy to show it to you.